Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Homeopathic Trials. Today we are going to study a remedy which is well known and is frequently prescribed polycrest remedy, that is Silicea. Today in this video we will study Silicea by linking it to the famous character of Raju from the movie Three Idiots. Now without wasting much more time, let's begin. But before beginning, guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our content. Silicea is a remedy prepared from silica, which is an element from the periodic table, as well as an important constituent of the sand particle. Now, silicea or silica belongs to row 3 and column 10 of the periodic table. The main idea of row 3 is of identity or identity related issues, while that of column 10 is of rigidity or fixity. Thus, when we see the main feeling or idea of Silicea, it is that I have my own definite image or a specific identity and any threat to it causes anxiety. This can also be seen in Raju character where he exits or leaves his room when he feels that his image is getting spoiled because of his friends Rancho and Farhan, and also he feels that because of them he would get less marks in exams. When we take a look at the main feeling of Silicea, it is very important to understand the reason behind the development of this feeling. The very first and most important reason behind it is low self-confidence and an inner feeling of fragility. Silicea people are extremely bad at taking criticism. Thus, when others voice their opinion or criticize them, they feel very sad and they might even feel humiliated or neglected. Because of this low self-confidence, Silicea people create a specific image for themselves in front of others which helps them to deal with people, and when in any such situation there is a threat to their image, they get anxious. This low self-confidence is also seen in Raju's character. Another reason behind the image consciousness can be their childhood, where Silicea children are born in the households where their parents are strict and they have to behave according to the set rules of their house and have to always carry that image in order to feel loved and accepted. Thus, the image is the only thing around which the entire emotional aspects of Silicea as a remedy evolve. Now, let's understand the anxieties of Silicea. Silicea as a remedy has great anticipatory anxiety, especially when they are expected to perform either in the exams or on the stage. They never fear of failing, but they are afraid of what would others think of them if they fail. Here we can easily differentiate it from Lycopodium, where Lycopodium fears whether he would be able to do a particular task or not, which arises out of low self-confidence. This anticipatory anxiety before exams is also seen in Raju's character, where he too gets anxious before exams. Another important anxiety of Silicea is about the opinion of others about them. Here they fear what would happen if they fail to portray that image which they are carrying constantly. Now here it is important to differentiate it from Palladium, where Palladium craves for appreciation and good opinion about him, whereas in Silicea these people just feel that they should be able to maintain their image in public as they have maintained right from beginning, which need not be good always. Silicea people are extremely obstinate and headstrong. These people are very bad at taking criticism as they feel it is an attempt to lower their confidence. Thus, they remain extremely firm on their opinions and do not change it even if they are wrong. And also, they do not change despite of a friendly advice, and hence we find it as a one-mark remedy in the rubric Mind Admonition Aggravates. Thus, after seeing the entire picture of Silicea, we can easily conclude that when the Silicea people are in their coped up, that is, the state where their defense guards are on state, they are obstinate, rigid, and always carry a fixed image. But when they are in an uncompensated state, they are timid, yielding, indecisive, and nervous. Now that we have understood the emotional aspects of Silicea, let's understand the sphere of action of Silicea. Silicea as a remedy acts really well on bone, skin, and on the rectum. We will try to understand the action of Silicea on each one of these organs. First, let's understand the action of Silicea on bones. Silicea is a remedy which acts really well on the caries of bones, especially the caries of vertebra. It is also a very good remedy for painful coccyx and very severe backache, which is aggravated by riding. These patients can even have a great lameness in the region of the sacrum. Silicea is also a good remedy for weakness of ankles and feet, along with the soreness of the arc of the foot. Next, let's understand the action of Silicea on the skin. Silicea is an excellent remedy for promoting and controlling the process of inflammation and suppuration, and also it has a tendency to promote and expel foreign bodies from the tissues wherever they may be lodged, and hence Silicea is also known as surgeon's knife. Now, phelons, abscesses, and old tumors are easily treated using Silicea. Silicea is an excellent remedy for eczema and herpes, where there are painful boils seen on various parts of the body which are aggravated by touch. Silicea also acts really well in cases of fissures of the anus, causing intolerable pain while passing stools. At the end, let's understand the action of Silicea on rectum. Silicea is an excellent remedy for obstinate constipation where the stools are retained for a long time in the rectum and the stools pass with great straining. The most important characteristic of Silicea's constipation is that whenever the patient goes to pass stool, their stools are partly receded and partly expelled. Silicea is also an excellent remedy for painful hemorrhoids and fissures. At last, let's have a look at the few confirmatory symptoms of the remedy. Silicea patients are chilly and they want to be wrapped, especially warmly. Profuse sweat, especially in palms and soles, is one of the most important characteristic symptoms of this remedy. Aversion to milk is also an important confirmatory symptom for Silicea. So this was all about Silicea. We hope you guys have loved the video, and if you have liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do let us know your valuable feedback through the comment section below. So